Welcome to Product Critique, the channel where we review and analyze the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about: the Meliya Nylon Bands for Amazfit Band 5. These replacement straps are designed to provide comfort, style, and durability for your Amazfit Band 5. In this video, we'll explore the key features and benefits of these nylon bands. The Meliya Nylon Bands are compatible with Amazfit Band 5, Xiaomi Mi Band 5/6, making them a versatile choice for various fitness trackers. This ensures that you have a wide range of options to choose from and that they'll fit your device perfectly. These bands are made from soft and durable nylon material. The nylon design enhances breathability and keeps the bands lightweight, ensuring a comfortable wearing experience. The bands are gentle on the skin, making them ideal for extended wear. Adjusting the strap to your wrist size is a breeze, as it fits wrist sizes from 5.5 inches to 8.8 inches. Simply move the closure to get the perfect fit, making it suitable for both men and women for various occasions. The Meliya bands feature a special solo loop design, eliminating the need for any tools to secure them in place. This design ensures that your Amazfit Band 5 stays in position securely, preventing it from accidentally falling off. With multiple unique and vibrant color options to choose from, you can personalize your Amazfit Band 5 to match your style and personality. The stylish design of these bands adds a fashionable touch to your fitness tracker, making it a perfect accessory. Made of high-quality stretchy nylon material, these bands are not only comfortable but also durable. They are flexible, lightweight, and breathable, suitable for daily use. These bands make for a great gift choice for occasions like weddings, birthdays, Valentine's Day, and more. Meliya offers a 12-month warranty for these replacement bands. If you encounter any defects or quality issues, their 24/7 customer service is ready to assist you. Feel confident in your purchase knowing that you're backed by their warranty and support. The Meliya Nylon Bands for Amazfit Band 5 offer a stylish and comfortable solution to enhance your fitness tracker experience. With compatibility, easy adjustment, and a unique solo loop design, they provide excellent value for your money. Whether it's for yourself or as a gift, these bands are a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their Amazfit Band 5. Don't forget to check out the various color options to find the perfect style for you. That wraps up our review of the Meliya Nylon Bands for Amazfit Band 5. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.